Hi everyone, my name is Joseph K. Saji and this is SIT737 Capstone Part 3 live demonstration. The services are up and currently the system is under synthetic load. I'll walk through the HPA response, the observability stack catching it and shut down cleanly. As you can see, going to shell 2 is watching the HPA and the pod set every 10 seconds. HPA shows CPU at somewhere around 89% at 70% target. The load is biting. Replicas column shows 5 out of 5 pods, which is the work of autoscaler that has already scaled from the 3 replica baseline to the 5 replica ceiling. Look at the pod list. 3 rep pods are somewhere around 113 minutes ago, and 2 of them are 14 minutes ago, which is basically about, yeah, those are HPA works. Now, HPA desired replica formula projected 11 pods for the CPU ratio, 3 times. As you can see, 113 minutes ago, and max replica equals 5 capped. So we can have only 5 pods running at the maximum. That scale up itself took roughly around 90 seconds from the CPU breach because of a 60-second scale up stabilization window. That asymmetric design was that is aggressive up, conservative down was specified in part 2 section somewhere in part 2 report. Now switching to cloud monitoring. Hold on. Yeah, switching to cloud monitoring. As you can see, um, real Prometheus data where we have HTTP request rate, HTTP latency, P50, P95, P99. Then we have pod CPU um, where we have 5 different pods running on different colors. We On the replica count over time, we can see that we were at a 3 pod limit, and then as a synthetic load came up, we scaled up to 5. The Node.js event loop shows 5 different pods and their activities and the whatever event loop that is happening over there with 5 distinct pod traces. Now coming back to the shell, I'll just cleanly shut down the synthetic load. Killing the load, the HPA will hold at 5 replicas for 300 seconds. The scale down stabilization window, which is the window, and then converge back to 3 pod replica baseline. And that cycle is fully documented in the report we have shown in the figure. And that is what the whole part 3 was. 6 concrete part 3 edition delivered. The prom client instrumentation, pod monitoring resources, manage Prometheus, cloud monitoring dashboard with 6 tiles, graceful sig terms handling, and an HPA proven by load visible on the screen right now. So that is the full evidence for the report. Thank you.